Jack's got a ballot for a concert ticket. Probably win a ticket in any particular year is 0.27. Wins a ticket is for the first time. Okay, so that means he's got to have on his 8th attempt. So that means he's got to have a failure, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 failures, and then 1 success in terms of the tree diagram. Because he could get a success on the first one, or he could get a failure, etc. So he's got to have 7 failures, so that'll be 0.73 to the power of 7, and then times that by 0.27, that equals 0.0298, etc. After his 8th go, well, that means he'll have had to have had this bit here, he'll have had to fail this time here, and after 8 goes, he must have failed 8 times. And so after his 8th attempt will be 0.73 to the power of 8, and that is 0.080646, which equals 0.0806. And now part 2. Okay, now I've got an expression for the probability wins on exactly 2 of his first 8 attempts. Well, this is going to be a binomial, so I'm going to write it down there. And it's 8 attempts, and the probability of success is 0.27. And so that will be 8C2. So he's got to have 2 successes out of the 8, and I've got to have the 0.27. That's the probability of success. So 2 of those that'll be squared, and all the others that'll be 0.73 to the power of 6. And it does also say evaluate it fairly obviously, 0.308934, which equals 0.309 to 3 significant figures. But if I need to use that number, I need to use 0.3089. Okay, part 3, do it here. Find probability wins his 3rd ticket on his 9th attempt and his 4th ticket on his 12th attempt. Well, actually, they've helped me through this quite a lot. So he'll have to have had 2 tickets. So he's got to have had 2 wins in 8, and then win the 9th, and then lose 10th, lose 11th, and win the 12th. So that's what I need to do. So 2 wins in 8, I've just worked that out. It's 0.3089034. He's got to now win the next one. So he's got to win to get his 3rd win on the 9th. So that will be 0.27. He's got to then lose the next 2, so that'll be 0.73 squared. And he's finally got to win the 12th, which is 0.27, and that equals 0.01200004, which equals 0.012. Now they structured that quite a lot by working out this sort of thing, and occasionally it's worthwhile remembering for part 3 they could have just asked that and it'd been much harder. So the winner on his 3rd attempt, on 3rd ticket on his 9th, he must have had 2 in the previous 8, and we could do that reasonably easily in part 2 when it's asked us. It's much harder when it's like that, so try and hold those in your head. That's question 5 done.